Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together.
Purely made out of satin fabric. So this is a purple satin fabric, and this has, as I show you with my other videos to let you familiarize with what are the things I have done, I have put the mirror in it, and for the putting the mirror I created the frame, and the side I decorated, and then this has seed bead clusters, and I already have made a video on that. And then I use some tiny little sequences and I put them, so I stitch these, and the seed bead clusters and sequins all are glued with the glitter dimensional fabric paint, which I always use, and this does two jobs, gluing and making it pretty, as giving it a golden shine. Okay, now this purse inside I put a snap button. I couldn't find the same color, I had this color laying around, so I just put that one. Now for the purse, smaller, doesn't have to be exactly same, so one piece of this, and then we're going to do a lining for the purse. And lining, you want to do the outside one, you can do chiffon, satin, the top fabric. So this is 26-inch lengthwise and width 18-inch. Now we're doing the pocket inside. So for the pocket I have fabric which is 11-inch length and 9-inch width. These all measurements I will put it in my description. So as I told you, you have this 4 pieces of fabric, and then we'll be needing another about 4 or 5-inch width fabric for the top. So we're going to be using about 7 pieces of fabric. Now the handle also, we need 2 pieces of fabric to do the handle. After you make sure it's all lined up, is you will stitch all the 4 sides. So stitching will make it exactly even. Now if the bottom fabric is little bit big, it's okay. So when you do these 2 sides, you see how pockets coming like this. Now when all this stitch done, then you turn it to other side like this from inside, and after you do that, then we're going to put pleats here like this, 1-inch pleats, and we're going to give some gap. Let's say 2 inches gap in the middle and 1-inch pleat like this. So we're going to do this pleats on both the sides. Once we do the pleat, so it will be gathered like this, and once we do the pleat, then we're going to stitch the top portion, and it's going to be this wide, and all around we're going to stitch the top portion. After we do the top portion, then we're going to add button inside and handle. So let me do all this and then get back to you. So as I was mentioning, that after you have your fabric like this and you put your 3 pleats here, so your fabric become like this, and you have this stitches in the sides, then you get this about 6-inch width fabric, 4 or 6 inch, and you make it like this and you stitch it with this like this. So after you stitch it, it will become like this, and then when it's like this, then you add this trim to cover the stitches. See, you go with the scissor and you will cut up it up like this. So you see you have a ring here. This was oatmeal container, so this was a little bit bigger ring. Now after you have the ring, as I show you, you cut your 2-inch silk fabric and make sure you burn the edges in the fire, and then you go in the ring like this. Get it long enough so it goes all around like this. You have very little left, so get a trim, and first you tie it here. This edge also, if you burn it little bit here is good, otherwise it will free. So like this you secure it, and then the rest. This is how it's been added. We add little bit of this and come down downwards. I do add it. When you add it, first you stitch this, and then you will be stitching it to this fabric, and it's not hard because you have fabric here. You use this fabric to stitch. That's the whole idea. Now you see how pretty this looks, and then you will be doing this. This is easy. You just put beads in the string, and if you like it, give me a like.
Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.